If Canva is giving you an upload error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether your file is failing to upload, getting stuck, or just refusing to process, these simple steps can help you get back to editing without wasting time. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Let's start with the fastest fix first. Refresh the page by pressing Ctrl+R on your keyboard. Sometimes Canva just needs a quick refresh to reset the session and clear a temporary glitch. After refreshing, try uploading your file again and see if the error is gone. If that doesn't work, the next thing to check is your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can easily cause upload problems in Canva. Open a new tab, search for speed test, and run a quick internet speed test. If your connection is weak, try switching networks, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or waiting until the connection is more stable before uploading again. Now let's look at the file itself. If your image or video is too large, Canva may fail to upload it properly. In that case, reduce the file size first. You can compress the image or video using an online compressor or a built-in file optimization tool, then try uploading the smaller version again. This is one of the most common reasons for upload errors, especially with large media files. Another thing that often fixes the issue is changing the file format. If Canva isn't accepting the file you're using, convert it to a more supported format, like JPG, PNG, or MP4, depending on what you're uploading. Once the file is converted, go back to Canva and try the upload again. A simple format change can make a big difference. If you're still seeing the error, the problem may be caused by cached browser data. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can interfere with websites like Canva. To clear that out, open your browser menu, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files are selected, then clear the data. Once that's done, restart your browser and try the upload one more time. These steps solve most Canva upload issues, so work through them one by one. Refresh the page, check your internet speed, reduce the file size, change the file format, and clear your browser cache. In most cases, one of those fixes will get everything working again. If this video helped you fix the Canva upload error, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.